Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the remaining parts of the coordinate geometry. Before class, we discussed about the fundamental of coordinate geometry like x-axis, y-axis, first quadrant, second quadrant. Today we will move forward some new concepts of coordinate geometry. Shall we start? See, yesterday I have told you about the straight over. Okay, there is no scale. Okay, just adjustment. This is x, this is x dash, this is y, this is y dash. Okay, what? This is first quadrant, this is second, this is third, this is fourth. This much we have discussed previous class. Now we will find the values representations. How the values are represented in the graph. See, this is what? This is called the center of the graph. Now it can be called as origin. Origin means what? The starting point where the different axes are going on. माने जो पॉइंट रही सपोज एक्स एक्सिस बाहर छी देखो एठू यार जाई छी एडा इमिति ऊपर को जाई छी देन एडा बिहाइंड माने बिलो आछि कोरे y dash and x dash any direction it will move like this from starting point what origin. Now tell me what is the coordinates of the origin, because since it is the starting point these coordinates are 0 0. That means what? At this point, which point? This point x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 because there is no value. It's the starting point, like bypass junction. How many of you observe the bypass junction in highway? There is a center point, some other ways. Like in this case, this is the origin and these are the direction of x-axis and y-axis. Okay. Now see, some points we will take. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is -1, -2, -3, -4. Okay. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. -1, -2, -3, -4. Okay. If I will ask you where the point 2 and 3 will lie. Where? See, I have told you this is the x value, this is the y value. That means x is what? Greater than 0, y is greater than 0. It will represent which quadrant? That is first quadrant. Then in this plane this number will be placed. Now but we have to show the definite and exactly point of what? 2 and 3, because this is the plane of first quadrant. Okay. Now we have to show where these 2 points will represent. See, this is the x. First see the x axis. Where is the 2? This is the 2. Okay. Now y. Y how much? 3. Then see, y greater than that means this is the y axis. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now see, this 2, this 3. There will be a meeting point of these lines. Okay, where if we will move forward in perpendicular and again this is a perpendicular line, then the meeting point will be given the values of 2, 3. Okay, this is the coordinate of 2, 3, not 3, 2, because the first position is known as x value. See, this is x, this is y. See, this is the distance which is parallel to x axis, that is the x value. This is the distance which is the parallel to y axis. Simply देखो एटा अच्छे ना एटा का सहित पैरेलल है x एक्सिस सहित और एटा y एक्सिस सहित पैरेलल. Okay ना? See, if we will take the some more examples like 4 and 5, then what will the point? Take it, this is 5, then this is the sum, this will come like this. Okay, x value 4, y value 5. Okay, always remember the x axis and y axis are perpendicular to each other. What? See, it will be the 90 degree. Okay, all of you got? Note it down. Okay students, देखो एबे पढ़िबा डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला. डिस्टेंस मीन्स कौन रा सम लेंथ, द मेजरमेंट ऑफ सम द लेंथ माने एठू एतिकी केतिकी दूरता. दूरता माने कौन डिस्टेंस. लेट देयर इज ए पॉइंट एंड दिस इज ए पॉइंट. एनी पॉइंट हो कि हम व्हाटएवर मे बी द थिंग्स we find the distance means what? This is the distance. Okay, this is a point and this is a point. Let's take. So this is called the distance. If there is a point, there is a point. The joining. This is also distance. Whatever, maybe the straight line, maybe like this. Okay. If this is not a distance, is it also distance? But we will discuss this regarding straight lines, not this half circle and semicircle. Okay, now we will find how the distance formula will be represented in a graph. Graph means what? That x axis and y axis. Okay, see, this is x, x dash, y, y dash. Okay, this is what? Origin. That means 0, 0. In origin x value 0, y value 0. Now we will take some points, any 2 points in any quadrant. हमें एक ही भी नंबर, एक ही भी नहीं करेगा, एक ही भी नहीं करेगा. In this case also, let's take this coordinate. Let this is a point, another point is like this. Okay, let this is the point P1 and this is the point P2. Okay, now let see, in previous class we have discussed what, if it is a point, if we draw there will be a point ना ଏବେ ପଢିଥିଲେ ନା କ'ଣ, ଯଦି ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ପଏଣ୍ଟ ଅଛି that must be represented some x value and y value. Let the point contains x1 y1. Let, we don't know because this is x value and this is the y value. Okay, again take a coordinates x2 y2 of the point 2. This must be some point, then tell this is x1, this is what, y1, this is x2, this is y2. Why ମୁଁ କହିଥିଲି जो पॉइंट जो x रे इंटरसेक्ट करछि सेटा को हम कोन नबा x1 वैल्यू नबा और जो y को इंटरसेक्ट करछि सेटा न y1 वैल्यू नबा. सिंपली एटा पॉइंट नै छै, लेट p1 द पॉइंट, बट हमको से p1 रो कोऑर्डिनेट्स फाइंड करया पड़ो. लेट वी डोंट नो, लेट x1 एंड y1 बुझला ना. देखो रे सेम मन करी ग्राफ अछि, एटी 1 रहला 2 रहला, एटी 1 रहला एटी 2 रहला. ए पॉइंट कौन हो 2 2 ना. लेट ए पॉइंट नेम दो p, हमें भी सेम पोजीशन ले व्हाट p1 ले p1 ए जो कोऑर्डिनेट है हम ले x1 एंड y1. लेट जल्दी 8 जिन 2 अछि सेट x1 एंड कौन हो x1 ना हो ना, सेम है 8 भी x2 ले ले. नाउ हम फाइंड करया पड़िबो p1 एंड p2 भितर थिबा distance. What? एड़ा p1 and p2 मध्य थोड़ा distance. देखो the derivation is available but it's not necessary how the formula will derive, because in further class if there is some time then we will discuss about the derivation of the formula. Now just see how, what is the distance formula. माने ये जो p1 और p2 भितर थिबा जो लेंथ टा माने डिस्टेंस टा सेटा केमिति फाइंड कर परिया. अच्छा मैं p1 कोन नै थे x1 एंड y1 ना, p2 रो कोन ले x2 एंड y2 ना. ओके, नाउ ये भितर थिबा डिस्टेंस कोन हो p1 p2 इज इक्वल टू सिंपली एंड इनटू नै प्लस नै नथिंग, जस्ट p1 p2 भितर थिबा डिस्टेंस और सम भाबी दबन जे एटा प्लस इनटू एटा प्लस से डिवाइड नथिंग. ओके, जस्ट द लेंथ. देखो ए बी लेंथ माने ए बी ना बन की इन द सेम वे दिस इज द p1 p2. सी x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 रो whole square. So रो square root. बुझबाला ना. What if there is a point, there is another point is given and the coordinates also given, then coordinates one कौन x value y value, a to x y value देछि. So सेतबेला कोन करबा x2 minus x1 रो whole square plus y2 minus y1 रो whole square रो square root. अच्छा, ये फार्मूला को हमें डिफरेंट वे लिख कर लेना है. Can we write like this? p1 p2 is equal to x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 रो whole square रो square root. difference को 9 बार चो simple. ये x2 minus x1 আছে x1 minus x2 আছে. किछि ना फर्स्ट ए डायरेक्ट माइनस करलो देन ए डायरेक्ट माइनस करलो काहे के मत करले जान करलो एनीवन टेल व्हाई this can be written as like this. See, let take a number x1 is equal to 5, then y1 is equal to x2 is equal to 6. Okay, see x2 minus x1 करो कौन होगा x2 minus x1 को ले 6 minus 5 is equal to 1 ना then x2 minus x2 को ले 5 minus 6 is equal to minus 1 ना both are equal here not equal but there is a term what square अच्छा ना then what we will do the whole square of 1 is also 1 and minus 1 whole square is equal to also 1. This will be the right. So if we take individual then x2 minus x1 is not equal to x1 minus x2 but the square terms is equal. That's why in question if there are 2 points and find the distance you can take any one of this formula. Okay, because the square terms will be the positive always. Negative square will be positive square will be positive but maximum try to remove the negative sign because sometimes during the sum it will be so dangerous. Okay, see in question देखिए automatically we can understand that which formula we will take in easy. Okay, see this much. So there is a point P1 P2 and the coordinates are given. The coordinates of this points are given and we will find the distance. It is not only for this quadrant. You can take like this. What? This is the point P1. This is the point P2. This is this quadrant. Not only mean that only like this straight line we can find the distance, but we will take any line like this. Okay. See, this is the point P1. That means there is a point P1 which join this. This is the if we will take it comes the x1 y1 number. It x1 number, it y1 number because this is x axis, this is y axis. Similarly, we have represent kori pariya. The distance formula can be found in all the quadrant. Okay. Later we will read how the formulas will apply in different figures like triangle, rectangle. Simple, it can be called as a distance, it can be called as a length. Okay, all of you note it down. Okay, let's see. Take an example. Find the distance Okay, find the distance between the 2 points A 3 4 B 5 6. Okay, see इमिति पर्टिकुलरली 2 points A and B हमें कौन नहीं थे P1 P2 नहीं थे एडी A and B. Okay, see एडा गोटे पार्ट एडा गोटे पार्ट एनी 2 points this is A, this is B, A, B, this is 3 4, this is 5 6. आपको हम जो ग्राफ रे देखेबा सिंपल हेला ना, because all are the positive, obviously this is in first quadrant. see positive 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 positive, सेम प्रीवियस में जो करथिले से टाइम का समय ग्राफ न कले भी चलेबो, बट we have to deeply understand. Okay, see this is the distance. previous class कौन था रेडी, p1 थिला p2 थिला, ओके ना? हाँ, then we will find the distance. क्या का बता distance? AB हो कि B हो, whatever may. So first we will find x1 y1 and x2 y2. अच्छा, जदि आमे इमिति जिबा केमिति A ru B जिबा, then this will be the x1, this will be the y1, because first position x1, second position y position is there. Then this will be the x2, this will be the y2. First we will find the x1 y1, x2 y2, then we will put the formula. If we will find the length from B to A, that means like this, then it will be the what? x1, this will be the y1, again this is x2 y2. Not necessary A to B 5 km ले B to A कितना होगा 5 km ना, so simply तुम जो A B find करते हो, this will be the x1 y1 x2 y2, जो B A find करते हो, this will be the x1 and y2, because जो starting is x1 is what, है ना? Then what is the formula? AB माने length मैं कोई थी not A into B, A plus B nothing, AB simply the length of the side. What I mean, this is a part. So what is the formula? x1 y1 x2 y2, formula what? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the formula. Formula लिखिबा को बाद दे, बुझलो ना? See x2 कितने 5 लिखते हो ना, x1 is equal to 3, y1 is equal to 4, x2 is equal to 5, y2 is equal to 6. Okay, then x2 minus x1 5 minus 3 रो whole square plus y2 minus y1 6 minus 4 रो whole square. So 2 square plus 2 square what? 4 plus 4 कितने 8 8 रूट 2 कितने 2 रूट 2 ये 2 रूट 2 कितने आसला 8 एडिशन करना 2 2 2 2 कितना होगा 2 into 2 into 2 जल्दी दीटा इक्वल नंबर अच्छी तब हमें सिंगल नंबर इधर रिमेनिंग रह जाएगा आपको रूट 2 को क्या so 2 root. अच्छा, बुझबा ना? Now we will take the reverse method. That means x1 minus x2. जब सेमी फाइन को कौन होगा? देखना AB is equal to x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. ये x2 minus x1 ले ले, ये x1 minus x2 y1 दब हो चुका है. x minus x2 कहते हैं 3 minus 5 whole square plus 4 minus 6 whole square. Okay, 3 minus 5 what? Minus 2 whole square plus minus 2 whole square. Minus 2 whole square कहते हैं 4 plus 4, again the same value. वो difference आसला देखना ये कितना आसला 2 root 2 ये क्या आसला 2 root 2 माने if we will take the formula the same value will come, if we will take this formula the same value will come. So better जब तक चाहो छो AB. If you will find the value of BA, how can you start? Then इमिति जिबा, this is the first position x1 y1 next माने a2 इमिति जिबा आमो to start होछ ना, so we will the starting point then x1 y1. if BA find करिया, BA find कले कोन होबा, this will be the x1, this will be the x2. जिमिति कले भी same distance आसे, because if A to B 5 km, B to A also 5 km. Okay, all of you got the point. Note it down, all the methods, this one also. Okay, write it down. See, some questions I will give you. Solve करके मते सेंड कर दो. हाँ, सी फॉर प्रैक्टिस तुम से परिचय के ना ता जाने पड़ो. देखो indicate the following points in the graph means 4 6 माने इमित नबो एक्चुअली को कोऑर्डिनेट अछि देखिबो देन ई फर्स्ट अछि मुझे कोन न लिखिए दे जो p1 p2 इन कोन न लिखि ए जो पॉइंट आसबो ए जो पॉइंट आसबो ना सेटा को कोऑर्डिनेट रे आ इमित देखैबो खाली फर्स्ट सेकंड कोऑर्डिनेट ना मन कर 2 3 अछि ड्रा करिवो 1 2 3 x2 y3 माने y वैल्यू भी 3 दाई मानो. So this is 2, this is 3, this is the point. सेमिति ये सब इंडिकेट करी 0 and 7. See एटा ट्राई करो बिकॉज़ मो तुमको सब जा कोइ छी बट ये जो 0 7 पॉइंट का मु ट्राई करो नेक्स्ट क्लास रे ओरिजिन रो केमिति डिस्टेंस जानो फाइंड करबा एक्चुअली x वैल्यू कोन खाली y वैल्यू कोन जदी एडिशन x y अछि हम जान ले जदी से ओरिजिन स्टार्ट होछि देन हाउ कैन वी इंडिकेट द numbers. Okay, this much today. Tomorrow we will move forward the some new concepts. Thank you students.